Rich in vitamins, chervil is an excellent condiment, but also medicinal plant with many properties. It is used for its depurative effect. It cleanses the stomach and facilitates the evacuation of waste. Diuretic, it improves the functioning of the urinary tract. Expectorant, it clears the respiratory tract. And febrifuge, it lowers the fever. It is recommended as an infusion or decoction for bloated people who have difficult digestion or suffer from abdominal pain. Chervil is also indicated in the treatment of urinary disorders, gout, kidney stones, and respiratory conditions, angina, bronchitis, asthma. Externally, chervil relieves joint pain caused by rheumatism, hemorrhoids, eye conditions, ophthalmic, eczema, contusions, and insect bites. It is mainly the leaves and flowers that are used in herbal medicine. They can be consumed fresh, in infusion, in decoction, or in poultices. Besides chervil, several medicinal plants are used to fight against digestive disorders: dill, green anise, caraway, coriander, cumin. The Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans knew the benefits of chervil. It was used, in the Middle Ages, to relieve coughs and aid digestion. This plant is part of the composition of herbal broth, a natural remedy recommended in case of fever. Native to Asia and Russia, chervil is a small herbaceous plant similar to parsley. Measuring between 30 and 60 centimeters high, it has tender and thin leaves. The white flowers are arranged in umbels and give rise to small, elongated fruits which turn black as they ripen. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. Subscribe to Soul Society for more video, and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.